Sorry?
Check out that sea camera bottom. Right rear.
Oh, yo, that's brutal. All right, hello guys. So today is exciting. Engine's gonna go back in. It's not going to run yet. I'm gonna try to maybe split this video up into a two-part kind of series. But I've got the car here. It's gonna be pulled inside. The goal is to get the clutch, or the flywheel, the clutch, the pressure plate, the trans, all that stuff back together, and then drop the engine in with the trans, bolt up the motor mounts and the trans mounts, and just kind of get it in place, and then maybe connect everything in the next video. So I'm going to go ahead, pull the car in, and get started with that.
The entirety of the Kozmoz is accessible to each and every individual's mind, connecting to the great mind, the great spirit.
Alright, so I slapped the flywheel, clutch, and transmission together, used some Loctite, torqued everything to spec, lined it all up, put my transmission bolts in, and now I'm ready to drop the engine in. Just a little thing that I've learned, I know Forsberg and Turk in their little Drift Garage series also said this, to try to avoid putting in the bolts at the top of the transmission, just so that if you ever blow a transmission at the track, it's really easy to switch out. And they also go overkill on the amount of bolts you need to hold these in, so I've got 5 all around, plus the ones for the starter. So I'm going to pull the car in and drop this guy in.
To do it, the universe is really folded within each one of us. Then the entirety of the Kozmoz is accessible to each and every individual's mind, connecting to the great mind, the great spirit.
this one's done though, because the engine's basically in. Alright, so I got the engine back in. Huge thanks to Lido for helping out with the engine mount that I had a little bit of trouble with, but it's all in now. All that's really connected are the two engine mounts and the transcross member and the drive shaft. So all that's left now is to just kind of buckle everything up, and also going to set up the oil filter relocate and the oil cooler and all that sort of stuff.
I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies have tried.
So most of the engine is connected. All that's really left to do is connect the piping, fill up the transmission, put the shifter back on, and then put the rest of the fluids in it, and then we can fire it up. I'm thinking I will do that in next video. So to finish off this video, I'm going to do my oil cooler setup. It's going to go in front there, as I showed you guys before. We're going to use the threaded kind of rivet style here, just because we cannot slip a nut on the other end, because that's a closed part of the frame. And then mount the remote oil filter location over here, run all the lines and the fittings.
I can fly.
Alright, so I've got the oil cooler and oil filter relocate all set up. Looks pretty good, nice and clean. Comes out of the Tassone oil filter block into the oil filter, out to the cooler, and then from the cooler back to the oil filter block. All set up, all I gotta do is tighten that down, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to end this episode right here. Thank you guys for watching. In the next video, we will get this SR right here running, hopefully, if all goes to plan. Just gotta fill it up with fluids and, you know, kind of finish up the remaining pieces, and we'll be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video. If you have any questions at all, or any sort of comments, or even any sort of feedback or suggestions, go ahead and leave them below in the comments section. Please subscribe. See you guys next time.
'Cause you lie, lie, lie. You're so good at it, and you lie, 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 lie. 'Cause you lie, lie, lie. That you're through with him, and you lie, lie.